Niyanti Trivedi from School of Liberal Studies, Pandit Dindayal Petroleum University. I am extremely pleased to introduce Professor Nigam Dave, the Director of School of Liberal Studies, who would introduce us to the transdisciplinary course on global citizenship. Professor Nigam Dave, we would like to know that why and how the idea of this global citizenship course germinated.
Hello. Pandit Dindayal Petroleum University has been given the mandate to work on two fronts very aggressively. One, the research, and second one, the internationalization. In the world in which we are living, everything is interconnected. Look at the global challenges that are emerging every day. To talk about some of the pertinent global challenges that are coming up in the days to come, the first one, the biggest challenge that the world is facing is the largest involuntary migration of the refugees. That has its socio-economic religious impact. We are also finding lot of effects and impact of the natural catastrophe and the ecological disasters. We are also worried about the spread of the infectious disease. There is also the cyber attack and the terrorist attack that are happening in all parts of the world. So we are living in a world in which everything has its cascading effect, and whatever happens in one part of the globe is sooner or later going to impact us as a community. So along with our regular course curriculum, how do we see our students growing up, getting nurtured as a global citizen, understand that citizens are irrespective of the geopolitical borders, they are the citizens of this world. The Indian philosophy has been from time immemorial talking about Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, in which we say that the entire world is like a family. So how do we inculcate these values in the student and nurture them to be the global leaders of tomorrow? So we are very excited about introducing this course because a lot of our students target international mobility. They are there in the international university. They are doing wonderful international careers. So over a period of time, if the students don't understand the cultural appreciation and the nuances associated with the collective effort and the solidarity and the spirit of cooperation, our world in which we are going to live would be very challenging.
Very well said, sir. I think that sets the context right. At the same time, I would like to also ask you that how this course is going to be beneficial to the local students to start with and also the global students over a period of time.
Pandit Dindayal Petroleum University is correctly poised to take up the transdisciplinary step, move forward, because we have in our university the engineers, the management students, the scientists of solar research development. We also have the students of nuclear energy. We have the student of liberal arts who study subjects like psychosocial intervention and also diplomacy. So correctly speaking, if all of these students work together in the cross-disciplinary area to start with, then the interdisciplinary area, and then over a period of time move beyond the disciplines to join hands together and to work, that would be the first immediate benefit for the students to understand the world as a holistic view. Michael Polanyi, who is a Hungarian polymath, he once said that there are two types of awareness. One is the focal awareness and the second one is the subsidiary awareness. And he gave an example of a hammer and said that when I have the hammer in my hand and I am hitting the nail on the wall, my total attention, my focal attention is on the nail and my whole attention is there. But at the same time, having said that, my palm in which I am holding the hammer also feels the blow. Now Michael Polanyi said this is a secondary awareness. Now both focal awareness and secondary awareness are instrumental in developing the total experience. Likewise, any discipline operating in isolation cannot make the world a better place. So this is the best platform for the PDPU students to start working, and over a period of time we have also designed the courses of Study in India program, wherein we want the international students to come here and study for the brief modules in PDPU along with our students to gain an understanding of how India is creating a difference to the global society and the impact that we are doing to the society. So we are very enthusiastic about this course to start with the PDPU students and over a period of time with the global students.
We really wish you very good luck for the start of this wonderful course, which is Global Citizenship, which is, I think, a very constructive approach to the academics. At the same time, one more question, that would the students be allowed for any local community engagement or a fieldwork as a part of this course?
That's a wonderful question, because the areas on which we are emphasizing is number 1, the social, number 2, political, number 3, the environmental, number 4, economic, number 5, cultural, and the number 6, the identity crisis that people have in a global society. So what we are doing is, the course pedagogy allows students 30 hours of extensive community engagement and the research project that they are supposed to submit at the end of the course.
All right. Sir, thank you very much. If you have any parting comments.
I would just implore all the stakeholders to take the benefit and also join us, the external stakeholders. The videos that we would be uploading on the social media platform as well as on the School of Liberal Studies PDPU website would be for the stakeholders who have not necessarily enrolled in PDPU. This is our first step to come to you at your doorstep and explain to you and discuss the courses that we are running in PDPU.
Alright, so that was Professor Dr. Dave, and keep joining us for more videos and updates on the course. Thank you.